Hi guys, welcome to another maths tutorial brought to you by Direct Tutoring. Today we're going to have a look at the 2019 calculator paper. This is the first of 8 videos that we're going to upload. This video will cover questions 1, 2 and 3. So if we have a look at question number 1, question number 1 is worth 3 marks and it is a percentages question. And it gives us a charity distribution of 80,000 emergency packages during 2018. The number is expected to increase by 15% each year. Calculate how many emergency packages the charity expects to distribute in 2021. So right off the bat, we know how many years. So the number of years is going to be 3, because the first one will be 2019, 2020, 2021. Now, it's an increase of 15%. So we have to do 100% plus 15, because we're increasing, so that will be plus, divided by 100 to get it out of percentage form. So we get our scale factor is 1.15. Now, the number of packages, so the number of packages in 2021 is given by the formula. So it's going to be the original value, which is the 80,000, times by, so it's going to be 80,000 times by the scale factor that we found, which was 1.15, to the power of how many years? In this case, 3. So this is cubed. Now, if you pop that into the calculator, we will get a value of 121,670 packages. And this is a compound interest question. So it's the original value times by the scale factor, which we found here, all to the power of however many years, and in this case, 3. Question number 2 is a vectors question, and it simply asks us 2 marks to find the magnitude of vector p. So the magnitude of p is found by the square root of all 3 coordinates squared. So it's going to be 6 squared plus 27 squared plus, and then minus 18 squared. Just increase that. Now, if you pop that into the calculator, you will get a value of 21. And that is simply the magnitude of this vector p. You get 1 mark for the substitution into the formula, and then the final mark is getting the final answer. Very nice and straightforward. Question number 3 is looking at a triangle with a given angle and 2 sides, and it's asking us to calculate the area of the triangle. Because normally a kind of question like this could be the sine or the cosine rule, but it's telling us that we have to find the area of this triangle. So if we take a look at the area formula, which you will be given in the exam, so A equals a half small a times small b times sine capital C. Because what this does is, if we label these, so we'll call that small a, we'll call that small b, and we'll call that small c, because the angle that is opposite small c must be capital C. And that's the arrangement that we have to take. So if we plug the values that we have into the formula, then it will look something like this. So it's going to be a half times 45 times 70 bracket, and then it's going to be sine of the angle, which was 129. Now if you pop all that into the calculator, we get a value of 1,224 centimeters squared. And it's very, very important that you remember the units, because you could be marked down for a lack of the units, especially for questions that ask for area. That's the first 3 questions done of the 2019 calculator paper. The next video will cover questions 4, 5 and 6. Hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.